are going to love the 2014 Volkswagen Tiguan. With Volkswagen Tiguan, it's good to be turbo. Turbo with class. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, rear window defroster, CD player, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, heated front seats, security system, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.